Hello everyone. Let us start our day with one inspirational quote. Do it now. Sometimes later becomes never. I repeat, do it now. Sometimes later becomes never. So let us move on to our study material. In our last video, we have seen how to add the decimal fractions. So let us see the problem set based on that. So the question number 1 is convert the following into decimal fractions and add them. So the first question is 1.5 meter and 2.5 meters. So let us first convert them into decimal fractions and then add them. So 1.5 can be written as 1 in a whole part and half meter in the fractional part. So for half meters we write 0.50 or 0.5, anything you can write. And for 2.5 meters, 2.5 meter. Okay, so 1.5 meter, 1.5 meter, 2.5 meters, 2.5 meter. Now let us add them. So the first rule for adding any decimal fraction is to put the point one below the another. So put the point one below the another and the answer's decimal point also below them. Now you can write down the number. After placing the decimal point, place the whole part on the left hand side and decimal part on the fractional part on the right hand side. So 1.5 1 पहले decimal point के 5 बाद में. Same way 2 पहले decimal point के और 5 बाद में. So in this way we will write 1.5 meter and 2.5 meter. Now add these all numbers. Now after arranging the numbers you have to forget whether there is a decimal point or not. Decimal point को पूरी तरह भूल जाना है और फिर नॉर्मल एडिशन जैसे करते हैं नंबर्स का वैसे ही करना है. सो 5 + 5 10, 10 का 0, 1 will be carry, 1 + 1 2, 2 + 2 4 and hence the answer is 4.0 meters means 4 meters. 4 3/4 rupees and 7 1/4 rupees. So for 4 3/4, 4 is in the whole part. So 4.3/4 means 0.75. So 4.75 rupees. For 7 1/4 rupees, 7 for whole part and quarter rupees 0.25. So 7.25. See, 4 3/4, 4.75 rupees, 7 1/4 rupees, 7.25 rupees. Now add these two numbers. The very first rule, arrange the numbers one below the another, that is decimal point. सबसे पहले लिखेंगे एक के नीचे एक, उसके बाद पूरा नंबर लिखेंगे. सो ये लेफ्ट में 4 है, राइट में 7 5 है. वहाँ पे सेकंड नंबर के लेफ्ट में 7 है, राइट में 25 है. सो एड दिस टू नंबर. 5 + 5 10, 10 का 0, 1 will be carry. 7 + 1 8, 8 + 2 10, 10 का 0, 1 will be carry. 4 + 1 5, 5 + 7 12, 12 as it is. And hence the answer is 12.00 rupees means 12 rupees. Next question, 6.5 meters and 3 3/4 meters. So 6.5 को कैसे लिखेंगे? 6.5 meter and 3 3/4 meters को लिखेंगे 3.75 meters. Now arrange them. So put all the decimal points one below the another, then write down the number. So 6.5, 6.5 लिखा, नीचे है 3.75. तो सेकंड वाला नंबर जो है वो 2 डिजिट है फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट में, इसलिए हम इसको भी 2 डिजिट करते हैं. आपको याद रखना है कि नंबर्स के पहले कितने भी ज़ीरो लिख सकते हो. होल पार्ट में आप लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में कितने भी ज़ीरो लिखो उसकी वैल्यू चेंज नहीं होती. सेम वे फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट में आप राइट हैंड साइड में कितने भी ज़ीरो लिखो उसकी वैल्यू चेंज नहीं होगी. सो 0.5 और 0.50 ये दोनों एग्जैक्टली सेम है. तो इसको 2 डिजिट बनाने के लिए मुझे यहाँ पे 0 लिखना पड़ा. आपको 3 डिजिट बनाने हैं. सो यू कैन पुट 2 zeros here. Okay, so 0.5, 0.50, 0.500 all are having the same value. Okay, so you can increase the number of zeros on the right hand side in the fractional part and on the left hand side in the whole part. Now add the two numbers. So 5 + 0 5, 5 + 7 12, 12 का 2, 1 will be carry. 6 + 1 7, 7 + 3 10. So the answer is 10.25 meters. Now the question number 2. Here they have given you numbers and ask you to do the addition. So first rule again, arrange the numbers one below the another, then 23.4 and 87.9. So 4 + 9 13 का 3, 1 will be carry. 3 + 1 4, 4 + 7 11, यहाँ पे 1 होना चाहिए. 11 का 1 will be carry. 1 + 2 3 plus 8 11, 11 का 1 and 1 as it is. So the answer is 111.3. Next, 35.74 plus 816.6. First, arrange the numbers one below the another. So, 4 plus 0, 4. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 ka 3, 1 will be carry. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 ka 2, 1 will be carry. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. And at as it is. So, 852.34. 6.95 plus 74.88. Here again 6.95. Arrange the numbers one below the another. Answer का decimal point भी इसी decimal point के नीचे आएगा. Then arrange the numbers properly. Then add them. 5 plus 8 13 का 3. 1 will be carry. 1 plus 9 10. 10 plus 8 18. 18 का 8. 8 का 1 will be carry. 1 plus 6 7. 7 plus 4 11. 11 का 1. Again 1 will be carry. And 7 plus 1 will be 8. Hence 81.83. Next, 41.03 plus 9.98. 41.03, 9.98. 3 plus 8, 11 ka 1. 1 will be carry. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 ka 0. Again 1 will be carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 9, 11. 11 ka 1. Again 1 will be carry. 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, so the answer is 51.01. Question number 3. Now they have given two different units, 51.4 centimeter plus 68.5 centimeter. Now add these two units and then find out the answer. Again the same way, arrange the numbers one below the another and then add them. So 4 plus 5, 9, 8 plus 1, 9, 5 plus 6, 11. Hence the answer is 119.9 centimeter. Since the two numbers are in centimeter, their answer will also come in the centimeter. So don't forget to write the units. So next is 94.7 meter plus 1738.45 meter. Whatever will be the answer, whatever will be the numbers, you don't have to forget that you have to arrange the numbers according to the decimal point. So first put the decimal point of all the three numbers, that is two numbers plus its result, and then write down the numbers accordingly. On the left hand side 2 digit, that is 94. On the right hand side 1 digit, that is 7. Then comes 1738. So on the left hand side I will write 1738 and on the right hand side I will write 45. Now since this 45 is 2 digit, I need to make this also 2 digit, है ना. So जैसे 07 plus 22 है तो 07 को हम 7 plus 22 है तो हम 7 को सिर्फ 7 लिखते हैं क्या? नहीं, हम 22 करते हैं क्योंकि 22 2 डिजिट है और इसीलिए 7 को मुझे 2 डिजिट बनाना पड़ेगा. सो मैं इसको 07 लिखती हूँ. तो सेम वे फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट में आप राइट हैंड साइड में कितने भी जीरोज बढ़ा सकते हो. सो यहाँ पे 0.7 इज एग्जैक्टली इक्वल्स टू 0.70, इसलिए उसकी वैल्यू चेंज नहीं होगी. सो 70. नाउ ऐड देम. 0 plus 5, 5. 7 plus 4, 11 का 1. 1 will be carry. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 8, 13. 13 का 3. 1 will be carry. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 का 3. 1 will be carry. 1 plus 7, 8 and 1 as it is. So 1833.15 meters. Next question, 5158.75 plus 841.25. Again arrange the numbers one below the another and then start adding. So 5 plus 5, 10 का 0. 1 will be carry. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 का 0. 1 will be carry. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 का 0. Again 1 will be carry. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 का 0. Again 1 will be carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 का 0. 1 will be carry. So 5 plus 1, 6. Hence my answer is 6000.00 rupees, means total 6000 rupees. Okay. So यहाँ पे आपका एडिशन ऑफ डेसिमल फ्रैक्शन टॉपिक फिनिश होता है. सो राइट डाउन एवरीथिंग इन योर मैथ्स का कॉपी. We will see the topic subtraction of decimal fractions in our next video. Thank you.